everyone, welcome to Exam B. With the Exam B, you can prepare 50% faster. So guys, SEBI, Securities and Exchange Board of India, has released their official short notification for the recruitment of officer grade A assistant manager 2025. So guys, 2025 की जो vacancies हैं, they are out, and for all the streams, whether it is general stream, legal stream, information, research, all the streams, the details about their vacancies is out now. So you can see this video, and basically in this video what we will discuss about the phase 1 paper 1 strategy. So for the many students, they seem to be very confident about this part, so you need to watch this video because the paper is okay, but we can't say that you can crack it very easily. Yes, the criteria is very simple. Only 30% marks you need to score out of this, but a perfect strategy, a proper strategy will help you to clear this exam in your first time. So let us start this video. Before starting, if you have any doubts regarding SEBI grading notification about the legal part, IT part, or any subject, like if you have doubts in GA, English, Quants, and Reasoning, so iExamB is doing a free workshop for all of you that will be going to held tomorrow, Sunday, 12th of October, 8 to 9 p.m. You just need to register yourself, just fill your simple details in that, and then you can interact live with the iExamB experts, and you can clear all your doubts. Okay, so let us start with the notification. So in this notification, what we have, only the vacancies part is given, and we are assuming that most probably 2024 pattern will be followed. Fine. So legal, we have 20 number of posts, we have 20 vacancies, and mandatory educational qualification what we have, that is bachelor's degree in law from a recognized university institute, desirable 2 years post qualification experience as an advocate, including as an associate in advocates or solicitors office or law firm. Okay, that is the desirable part, that is not mandatory, but if you have this part, so it might help you in your interview part. Fine. Okay. So over the last few years, we have different vacancies. SEBI is taking out this notification every year. SEBI is releasing this notification every year. Every year this exam is taking place. So all the details, if you want these details about SEBI exam, so I have attached a PDF below this video. You can go and download that PDF, and you can get all the details, number of post application, all the part. Fine. So let us continue to the topic. What is the topic of this video? That is phase 1 paper 1. In phase 1 we will have two papers, that is paper 1 and paper 2, है ना? In paper 1 we will have general awareness, reasoning, quantitative aptitude, and English language part. Fine. Number of questions will be 20 in each subject, and number of marks will be 25 in each subject. Main part, or what we say the fun part, is that this exam is easy to crack in a simple way because we have no sectional cutoff in this exam. We have no sectional cutoff. Overall you need to crack only 30% part of the examination for the paper 1 part, है ना? And for the phase 1 you need to score 40% overall. So in this topic, in this video, we will discuss about general awareness, reasoning, quants, and English. General awareness part, Tushar sir will make a proper video for this part, but in this video also I am taking you to the proper strategy, proper part. Fine. So I have seen in the recent times many students have usually questions me about the reasoning part, quants part, English part. So first of all, what I will suggest you here, out of these four subjects, what you need to focus on, you need to focus on two subjects. If you are weak in reasoning and quants, so obviously you are left with two subjects, that is general awareness and English language. And out of these two, the most probable answer, the most very easy option for you is English language. You can score maximum part in the English. Out of 100, you need to score only 30% marks. But from the English, if you can score 20 marks, so your almost 60-65% part will be over. Okay, and that is very doable. Why I'm saying this is doable? Because we recently NIACL AO has released its scorecard, mark sheet. So our student for the low from the legal stream only, ठीक है, from the legal stream, our student scored 30 out of 30 in English. So if he can do this, then you can also do that part. ठीक है. So that is why what I am saying कि just focus on this subject, score maximum part from here. Fine. Now we are just leaving for the reasoning part and the quants part as it is here only. If in the general awareness, if you are focusing on the current affairs only, if let us suppose if you are focusing on current affairs only, so what you can do, you can score 5 to 10 marks. You can score 5 to 10 marks. So by doing these two subjects only, you can score 25 marks. Almost 25 marks you can score, but 25 marks are not enough, and it is just an idea. So if you don't want to do reasoning completely, if you don't want to study quantitative aptitude completely, so what else you need to do, let us focus on that part also. So what we have last 3 years analysis, 2022, 23 and 24. Many students are facing problem in data interpretation. Data interpretation is the most important part of quantitative aptitude, and data interpretation almost consists of 50%. ठीक है, recently in 2024 we have 2 DIs, so 50% part is here, but the main part is what, quant is divided into three part. We can divide quant into 3 sections, that is arithmetic, that is data interpretation, and that is miscellaneous. In miscellaneous, it is the very easy part. ठीक है, very easy part of the legal part is what, missing number series, simplification, approximation, inequality, mensuration and number systems. ठीक है. So if you can focus on these subjects, you can score 7 to 10 marks. You can score 7 to 10 marks from here. ठीक है. Or if I can say 5 to 8 marks if I can score from here. And from the arithmetic part, let us focus on 2-3 topics. अगर हम 2-3 टॉपिक पर ही अगर हम फोकस करें, चाहे वो हमारा ब्लड रिलेशंस है, चाहे वो हमारा एवरेज है, हमारा परसेंटेज है, प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस है, so we can do that part very easily. ठीक है. So not all the topics, because in arithmetic we have 14 to 15 topics, so we don't need to focus on 14 to 15 topics. Just focus on 3 to 4 topics, important, and you can score 4 to 5 marks. So if you do these two parts only, you can score 8 to 10 marks. Fine. So till now what we have done, 20 in English, 5 in GA and 10 in quants. Fine. Now coming on to the reasoning part, the most important part for reasoning aptitude is what, that is puzzle and seating arrangement. So, and it is very difficult also for many students are facing very difficulty in doing puzzle and seating arrangement. So leave this part as of now, focus on syllogism, direction, blood relation, coding, decoding, alphanumeric. What topics we have followed in the last 3 years, so we can focus on that part only. Do these topics, score 5 to 8 marks from here, 5 to 8 marks from here. So let us suppose 7 from GA, 7 from quants, 7 from this part, and 20 from English. So if you strategize your exam like this, your preparation like this, you can easily score 40 plus marks. And with the 90% accuracy, if you are giving 90% accuracy in this, you can easily score 30% marks. So this is very easy, this is very basic part. So we have 3 months time left, है ना? We have 3 months time left. So in these 3 months you can prepare these 7, 8 marks very easily. So focus on this part. This is English part. So English, but you need to focus. This you need to keep in mind कि इतना आपको फोकस करना ही करना पड़ेगा, इतना आपको समझना है कि इंग्लिश में you have to focus and you have to score maximize in English. Minimum 20 marks you need to score, and your by studying one part, the advantage of SEBI exam is that if you focus on only a single part, you can easily crack this examination. Fine. If you have any doubts left, so register yourself in this workshop. Bring on your doubts, any doubts, whether it's eligibility, preparation, previous exam, PYP, anything. We can discuss this part in this free workshop that will be going to held tomorrow, 12th of October, 8 to 9 p.m. Register yourself, you will get a mail, and then you can join this part. And these are our SEBI grade A selections. Last year, AIR 1, Shruti Singh was from iExamB. 2018, AIR 2 from iExamB, and 2022, AIR 3 was from iExamB. So guys, I hope things are clear now. Rest we will meet in the workshop, and I hope your doubts are clear now. So simple सी strategy है, focus on two subjects, maximize your part, and छोटा छोटा बाकी चीजें करो. You will be able to crack this exam very easily. So exam helps you prepare 50% faster. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you have liked this video. I just gave a try in English in this video. So do comments if you have any doubt, and we will meet in the workshop, and all your doubts will be cleared there. Thank you so much. Have a good day.